Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Ensure your Windows 11 build supports cellular drivers and your carrier allows PC data. Next, physically check the SIM tray and reset the SIM. A loose SIM often causes network not available. Then open Settings, go to Network and Internet, and make sure airplane mode is off and the cellular radio is enabled. Once done, glance at Action Center to confirm signal bars. This validates the modem is powered and recognized by the OS. Now focus on drivers and APN. Open Device Manager and locate network adapters and SIM devices, then update the modem and mobile broadband drivers from the manufacturer. If updates fail, uninstall the device and reboot to let Windows redetect it. This often clears corruption. Meanwhile, open Cellular Settings, choose Advanced Options, and check the APN. Enter your carrier's APN exactly because incorrect APN prevents registration. After making changes, restart the machine so system services initialize properly. Finish with service level checks and targeted resets. Run Windows Network Troubleshooter to capture common errors and confirm Windows Mobile Broadband Service, WAN SVC, is running. Stop or disabled services break connectivity. Then test with a different, confirmed working SIM or use your phone's hotspot to determine if the PC or carrier is at fault. If problems persist, perform a network reset to restore networking stacks and contact your carrier with error details. Troubleshooting tip: if the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.